Hello guys, I hope you are all okay. Today I'm going to show you guys how I've been helping USA citizens to open and verify their DERIV accounts. If ever you want to verify your DERIV account, um I'm your guy. I'm here to assist you guys. I've been doing this for some time now. I helped like a lot of people. I helped many people, many. Some came to me after DERIV has blocked their account. Some came to me before, and then I assisted them. Like this one, I just uploaded documents for this account. We opened it yesterday, and then after that I uploaded the document earlier today, and then now the proof of identity is verified already. We are waiting for proof of address to be verified as well. Your proof of address was submitted successfully. Of course it will be submitted, it will be approved before the end of today, latest tomorrow. Yeah, and like I said guys, I've been assisting many people, many accounts. I have accounts, few accounts that I have been busy with. Some I have removed them from my list, and then immediately thereafter, that is when if ever you don't want a new account, for example you want old account that is already verified, it's also there. I have accounts that are already verified. You just hit me and then you can purchase one from me. Of course I'm not doing it for free guys, since it also costs me to find all the relevant documents to verify your account. And this other guy, hey bro, yeah, said you can make the verified account. Yes, and yeah, this guy bought few accounts from me. He got few account from me. He got few. Yeah, this was the first one, and we changed the email. The login details are no longer the same. We changed the email after I hand out the account to you. We go through the process of changing the email, so that you can have full control to your account. You see, the amount is 250 USD. The the activated account, and yeah, here it was. Okay, yeah, so he was paying me. I remember he came back again. Okay, he was paying me here. Okay, he was showing me the payment proof. Okay, and here I sent him that I received the cash, that I received the money. See, I've received the money. I sent after I got the verification that I have received the payment. Yeah, this is the link for the email to change the email. After that, you log into the account, you request for email change, and then they will send an email to me, and then I send you the link, and then you go ahead, boom, you change the email into your email, so that you can have full control and access to your account. He came back again. He bought another account. I have another one. He just requested that he's gonna purchase an account. Oh, this one is has been there. I also assisted him. This one I also assisted him, and he also paid as well, this one. And then he came recently. Cool, take your okay. Hey, if it's cool, I'm going to get another verified account from you soon. Okay, so this is just an evidence of what I am doing, guys. I'm not scamming people. I'm doing this. I'm helping people. I've seen the how USA citizens have been complaining about accounts, that they cannot open DERIV accounts in the USA. Some of them, they use VPN and so on. Yes, of course, even after we verify the account, you will use the VPN so that to avoid being blocked, your account being blocked. But it will be fully verified with no limit. You can use it fully, no withdrawal limits and so on, and you will use it freely. Because remember, when you first open the account with DERIV, they don't allow you to verify it. They will tell you when the time comes for you to verify. But then I have my way. I can make them verify the account. Like I can open it now, and then today they will they will let me verify the account. After I've uploaded the document, that is when you have full access to the account. We change the email if ever you purchase, but if you have an existing existing account that you want me to help you with, you hit me, you give me the login details, I go in, I upload the document that I needed. Once it's approved, and that is when you pay me. Though some, they scam me after I uploaded the document to their existing accounts, they just block me and disappear. But it's okay, guys. That is how people are. But this time, whenever I'm to verify your account, you have to pay me 150 ahead before I can verify your account, so that I can avoid being scammed. So thank you, guys, and don't forget to hit the like button for more videos like this and more, and also live signals on my channel. Thank you, guys, and stay blessed.